nice AC that gotta go in the window and take out the old ones. Big remote too, right? These are just the extra clips that you probably never use.
Cool.
But it's really quiet.
Yeah.
And you open the window.
I didn't know these existed until like a few weeks ago.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I've been installing them for years. You see how it look? Look really nice.
Look great.
Yeah, quiet. Yes, fancy, right? Get that blessing. Ooh. Hear that? You don't hear nothing. I should invest in this AC, man. Right there. Okay, she loved the work. Yeah, man, I always try to do the best of the work. Alright, so we got the same AC, different window.
Perfect.
Same transformer. Yeah, nice and quiet.